Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is Shavige payasa or Semiya kheer. Alright, to make our Semiya kheer or Shavige payasa, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, here I have taken about 1/4 cup of Semiya or Shavige. This is roasted Semiya, but we'll again be roasting it. Pinch of salt. Adding salt here is optional. I generally like to add salt to my sweets, so I'm using 1 pinch of it. The 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder. 10 to 12 cashews which are chopped. Around 10 to 12 pistas again which I have chopped roughly. Around 7 to 8 strands of kesar. Around 175 ml of condensed milk. Here I am using condensed milk, so I am not using sugar. If you are not using condensed milk, then you can use around 5 tablespoons of sugar. If you want, you can add more sugar or less sugar according to your taste. 1 liter of full fat milk and about 2 tablespoons of ghee. So to make our Semiya kheer or Shavige payasa, we'll have to first boil our milk. Once our milk is boiled, we will add in our kesar strands and mix it. Meanwhile, while our milk is being boiling, we will toast our nuts and our Semiya. So first we will add in about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, we will add in our cashews and we'll roast this till it turns golden brown in color. To roast this on low flame, our cashews have changed their color. Take it out. We'll add in the remaining ghee. We'll roast our Semiya also. The Semiya that I'm using are already roasted. I prefer to again roast it a little bit for about 1 to 2 minutes in the ghee so that the Semiya gets the nice flavor of ghee, and when you're eating the kheer you also get the flavor of Semiya along with the ghee. Put your Semiya on medium flame. As soon as you start getting the smell of Semiya, that will start happening after 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. So then just turn off your heat. Milk has been boiling from the past 10 minutes. Now we will add in some elaichi powder to it and give it one nice mix. Ensure to keep stirring your milk so that the milk doesn't get stuck to the bottom. You can even use a heavy bottom pan. Now we will add in the condensed milk and give it one nice mix. Continue cooking it like this for another 5 minutes. Now we will add in a pinch of salt and our roasted cashews, pistas, and let it boil along with the pista and cashew for another 4 to 5 minutes. Try to keep stirring it so that milk doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Now, after about 5 minutes, after adding all your nuts and everything, we'll add in the Semiya which we have roasted. Add Semiya, boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes in the milk. Keep your flame on low while doing all of this, right? So after adding the Semiya, our milk has been boiling for about 9 minutes now. We will off our flame after another minute. After another minute, we just turn off our heat. Now our Semiya kheer or Shavige payasa is ready to be served. You can either serve it hot or you can let it cool down and refrigerate it and then serve it. I'm going to be serving it hot. And we'll garnish it with some fresh pistas. So there you go, our Semiya kheer or Shavige payasa is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get notified with all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.